And back in Ahmedabad, where families are grieving, trying to come to terms with the loss of their loved ones. Now, former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani, who we understand will be laid to rest in Rajkot today. In fact, the mortal remains of Gujarat's former Chief Minister Vijay Rupani, who was one of the victims of the deadly air crash in Ahmedabad, were handed over to his family members, and he will be cremated with full state honors in Rajkot. Those are the pictures on your screens. In his honor, Rajkot has declared a voluntary half-day closure. In fact, those are the pictures coming in from his residence, where you see Union Home Minister Amit Shah also in attendance, family members and those paying their last respects to the former Gujarat Chief Minister, who will be laid to rest in Rajkot. Prayer meetings that are scheduled, and former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani, who was on that flight, he was travelling to London to meet his wife and daughter. Family is devastated, and there you see those who are paying their last respects, laying wreaths on the mortal remains of former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. Union Home Minister Amit Shah paying his last respects, as it is a huge loss to the BJP of the close working relationship he shared with the top leadership. I want to go back to my colleague Brijesh Doshi, who has been tracking all the developments on the ground. In fact, he is at Vijay Rupani's residence in Rajkot, also Vidya joining us on the broadcast. But Brijesh, before that, if I could come to you to get a sense of what it is like on the ground. There is all of his family still trying to come to terms with the fact that he's no more. And we see how the top leadership of BJP in attendance as the final journey of Vijay Rupani will be taken.
See, definitely the one of the biggest face or the tallest face of the Gujarat BJP, the former Chief Minister Vijay Rupani's last rites will be done in a short while from now. Right now, his mortal remains are at the Rajkot residence, where the family is giving a last tribute, and as well as Union Home Minister has reached to the resident of the former Chief Minister. We are at the place where his mortal remains will be kept, and he will be given the guard of the honor. The state protocol will be given before his last journey, or the last journey towards the funeral. So in a short while from now, his mortal remains will come here at the place where we are standing near his residence, and then all the top BJP leadership, be it Union Home Minister Amit Shah, the Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, Union Minister C.R. Patil, State Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi, and the all other BJP leadership will give the last tribute to the former Chief Minister here, and then the last journey of former Chief Minister will start from here to the funeral place. And though the earlier time was around 6 p.m. when the funerals or the last rites will be done, but they are running late due to the people of the Rajkot overwhelmingly presented during when the mortal remains reached to the former Chief Minister's residence. The 6-kilometer long route, the people have shown the flower. People have shown the with the tears in the eyes, they have greeted their beloved leader, and almost it took 2.5 hours to reach the former Chief Minister's residence. So now the process has been delayed, and we have to wait once they will reach here, and then the final tribute will be given by the top BJP leadership, and then guard of honor and the state protocol will be followed, and after that the last rites will be done at the funeral place.
All right, Rajesh, do stay on with there. Before I come to you, let's also listen in to some of the responses that have come in from his family. Of course, a loss that can never, ever be settled, but even as they try and come to terms with it, let's listen into what they've said.
दुख की घड़ी में, ये दुखद दुर्घटना में सभी मृतकों को हमारे पूरे रूपाणी परिवार की तरफ से मैं श्रद्धांजलि अर्पण करता हूँ। ये दुख की घड़ी न सिर्फ हमारे परिवार के लिए है, पर बाकी 270-280 परिवारों के लिए भी जो आपत्तिजनक समय है। ये ईश्वर मैं प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि वो सभी आत्माओं को मोक्ष प्राप्त करें।
आपको सुनकर आश्चर्य होगा, हमारी दोस्ती 60 वर्ष पुरानी है, 60 इयर्स, इसलिए कि हम साथ में पढ़ते थे 1 से 7 स्टडी तक। बहुत सरल स्वभाव के थे, नानपण से हम पहचानते हैं। तो जब सीएम हुए तो हमारी दोस्ती तो कायम ही रही। गांधीनगर भी बार बार मुझे बुलाते थे कि महेश भाई आपको टाइम है तो आ जाओ, हम साथ में बैठेंगे, बातों करेंगे।
आपकी उनसे आखिरी बार बात कब हुई थी? कहा जा रहा है कि जिस दिन वो लंदन जाने वाले थे उस दिन आपने बात की थी। कितने बजे बात की थी? तब क्या बातचीत हुई थी?
वो लंदन जा रहे थे, उसके अगले दिन वो पंजाब थे, पंजाब से आए तब भी बात हुई थी। और उसकी डॉटर की तबीयत अच्छी नहीं थी लंदन में, तो वो देखने जा रहे थे। तो 1 बजे गुरुवार को 1 बजे 3 मिनट पर वीडियो कॉल से मेरी सिर्फ 9 सेकंड बात हुई थी। बेस्ट ऑफ जर्नी की और बेबी का ध्यान रखना, ऐसी बात हुई थी। उसने बोला कि आप फिक्र मत करो, मैं जल्दी वापस आ जाऊंगा, ऐसी बात हुई थी। और 1 घंटे के बाद मैंने जब ये हादसा सुना तो मैं एकदम कांप गया था कि 1 घंटे में ऐसा हो सकता है। तब मेरे को बहुत दुख हुआ। 2 दिन तक तो मैंने खाना भी नहीं खाया कि भाई ये कैसे हो गया।
Vidya, I want to come back to you because those who've known him closely are still in a state of shock. They still can't believe that Vijay Rupani is no more. And all those who've worked with him, who've known him personally, say that he was a man who was rooted to the ground. He started off as a corporator to grow on to become a chief minister of how Gujarat grew under his leadership. And today, the entire state is mourning his loss.
He had gone to other states as well as in charge of elections, be it, say, election in Maharashtra in certain places or in Punjab. And, I've spoken to people from all these places where he had gone. Even if a brief meeting, was held, his personality would come across where everyone knew the kind of discipline he had, the love for his party, the way it had to grow, the organizational structure. He was very if I can say, he was very to the point about what should be done by a person of a certain rank, holding a certain rank in a party. So he was a person of his own organization, very clear in his thoughts about what had to be done, while speaking, and very modest, of course. A lot of people that I've been speaking to, even if they had not met him, the way he came across through television, through talks, his speeches, everyone, said that he was one of the best persons to have, heard. And the way his modesty came out, in even when he was the chief minister, was something that everyone was touched about. And that's one thing that everyone's missing right now when they hear that he is no more.
All right, Vidya and Brijesh, many thanks for joining us on the broadcast. Of course, we keep coming back to you for further updates.